In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Clickup as a Crm, Clickup CRM tutorial, 2026. To get started, open Clickup and make sure you are on the main overview area of your workspace. This is a good place to begin because it lets you access tools and setup options without being buried inside a specific list or project. From the overview screen, find and click Templates. Templates are the fastest way to turn Clickup into a working CRM because they come with a ready-made structure like lists, views, and folders that are designed for managing accounts and relationships. Once you are in the Templates area, select Sales and CRM. This narrows the template library down to options built specifically for customer management, sales tracking, and account organization, which is exactly what you want for a CRM setup. Next, click the highlighted CRM template option you want to use. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing one that matches your workflow, since this will create the foundation of your CRM space. Then click Use Template. You will see another Use Template button in the setup flow. Click Use Template again to confirm and apply it to your workspace. After this, Clickup will generate the CRM structure for you automatically. Now that the template is installed, open the view called Accounts by Health. This view is designed to help you quickly understand account status at a glance, so it is a helpful starting point for managing ongoing relationships. Click into the highlighted area in that view to bring it into focus. Next, switch the view to Board. A board view is useful in CRM work because it makes accounts easy to move across stages or categories visually, similar to a pipeline. Click the highlighted area again to confirm you are looking at the board layout and that it is displaying the accounts as expected. From there, click Account Hub Repository. Think of this as your central database for account records, where you will organize and maintain key account information over time. Finally, use the navigation to jump between unassigned accounts and My Accounts. Unassigned accounts is where you can review accounts that still need an owner. My Accounts filters the list down to the accounts assigned to you, so you can focus on your personal book of business and daily follow-ups. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.